Today's video is about the brow lamination mystery shop and how the shop works. Today, welcome to Mystery Side Hustle. My name is Shay, and this channel is all about mystery shopping and how you too can get paid and get free stuff. Make money to try on clothes. Make money eating with your friends and family. Get paid to get a massage and so much more. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do so and check out my playlist on other helpful videos on mystery shopping, and leave your state in the comments so that I can post videos on YouTube Short of new opportunities where you can earn money and get free stuff. So what you see here is a screenshot of the email I received from iShop for IPSOS. So I've been dealing with them for a few years now, but I have not done a whole lot with them, only because the shops they offer, I don't do those that much no more. I typically focus on hotel shops and traveling shops and spa shops, like things I really, really like. So that's why this one, when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, let me do this mystery shop, because I wanted to get my eyebrows done anyway. I just wasn't too sure of what process I wanted to take. So this will help me figure out, will lamination be the best option for me, so on and so forth. Plus, you guys, you're always getting paid, if not reimbursed, for your services when you are doing things as a mystery shopper. And if you are a business like me, driving, I get that back during tax time. And anything else I may buy will be done, and write off during tax time. But, that's a whole nother subject. But this is why, for me, it made sense to do so. Now, in the blue, you see shopper pay. It says 15 minus 45. I don't know who wrote that. It doesn't make any kind of sense, and it's not accurate. If you go down to the bottom, it says first part is $15 and second part is $30. That is how much you will be paid when you submit your shop reports on those two instances. Now, it is not always a mandatory per different mystery shops that you have to do two different shop reports, or in their case, a survey. For this particular one, because you are receiving a service that will be basically given a long-term effect, like when you first get the actual lamination, it will look one way, and then as time progresses, it will look another way. So this is the only reason why they're asking for two different surveys, because they need to see what your eyebrows will look like at that time frame, which will be 5 weeks total. So let me explain a little bit more about that. Now, step one, once you sign up for the company and you apply for the mystery shop, go to your email and make sure you have a confirmation email that looks something like this. Please, please, please never perform a mystery shop if you do not have a confirmation email, because you will not get paid if they did not send you a confirmation email saying you have been assigned this shop. So avoid a headache, avoid being frustrated, and avoid losing out on some dollars, because you have to pay something for this in order to get it back in reimbursement. So make sure you have that, okay? Now, once you have this email, clarify everything is correct, the location you're going to, the time, and all this and all that. For this mystery shop, I had to contact the location either through phone or through the website to make my appointment. And that is why it says 11 a.m. because that was the timing originally of my appointment. So once all that is done, right? What's the next step? It's going to be for you to go physically to the location to get your mystery shop done. Before you even do that, make sure you have your cell phone fully charged, and make sure you have either a voice recorder app or an app called Otter. I will have a link to that in my description, because I highly recommend Otter, especially if you have to, per your report, dictate what someone said to you verbatim. Now, in this report, I like to always look at my reports before I do anything to see what's being asked of me. And I knew they wanted to know what someone said to me in a greeting when I entered the door. So Otter literally highlights that information word for word, and you can push the button to hear who said it. So if there's more than one person talking, you can hear who said what, and you can copy and paste it right into the shop report. Now we're going to move on to step two. All right, so once you are inside of the location, you will get the service done. Now, per the shop guidelines for this particular lamination eyebrow shop, I did take a photo of my eyebrows before going in, and once everything was done, I went to the counter. I paid them the $98 that it cost to get the service done. It was a brow tint, it was a shaping, and it was something else. It was almost an hour, but it wasn't that long. And then I also tipped them $10. Make sure to always read through your guidelines. I've been doing it a long time, so I just skimmed through it, and it was stated in the guidelines to tip them $10, which is why I did so, because I'm getting that back. Anything you pay for a mystery shop, you get all that back. So I did all that, got my receipt, went into my car, took another picture of my eyebrows because they wanted a before picture and an after picture. And then I went home. Once you do that, you're going to fill out the survey. I pulled up the Otter app. I listened to what was said to me in the greeting, copied it, pasted right in there, answered all the other questions, attached the receipt. They will want a scanned copy of the receipt. So there's also an apps for Android and iPhone that you can use your phone to take a picture of a document to make it look as though you can scan it into a PDF or whatever. So those are free as well. And I submitted it. Now, when I submit that, that is only part one. Remember, in the very beginning, it was 2 parts. So the part 1 is to get the service done, attach your photos, attach the receipt, answer the questions, and then wait to get confirmation from your report being completed for that first part. And then you will get graded as well. Step 3, I just went to my email after a couple of days and I got a notification that from PayPal, I was awarded $123. And then they gave me a message. Thank you for all your efforts. Please check your pay statement on Shop Metrics to view details of the payment. Now, this $123 is from the $98 service fee, the $10 tip, and the $15 for the first part of this 2-part mystery shop. They also sent me a separate email that my evaluation, my survey form that I submitted was rated with a 10, which is the highest you can get. With some people, I believe some companies have a 5, maybe it's a 10. It's been a while, but I think it's a 10. But yeah, that's done. Now all I have to do is part 4, which is to wait 5 weeks, take another picture of my eyebrows, and then I will be paid $30 while answering 3 additional questions.